Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix blurry screen and text issues in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. Select display. Under scale and layout, click on the drop down in scale and select the recommended value over here. Just click on it. And after that, display resolution. You just need to select 1920 into 1080, or you can select recommended resolution over here. And after that, just close off here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the same solution guys. Go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Comes up view advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. In here, select adjust for best appearance and make sure all these boxes are checked, and then select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type adjust. Comes up adjust ClearType Text. Click on open it. You just need to check mark this option guys, turn on ClearType and then click on next. In these next steps, you just need to select best text for you and then select next and then select next. Select the best text and then select next and then select next and select finish. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.